Oh. I am watching. Yo, we back with another video. So first off, I'm gonna say, you see we got this field back up. Told you we buying right now. We went ahead and bought some new stuff. It should be posted mid this week. But we do have a ship out video, so let's go ahead and get into it. Show y'all what these is real quick before we get y'all on a tripod. All right, y'all give me a second. Okay, so right here we have the Air Jordan 5 Neymar. I don't know really how you say it, but I know what they are. They're the, I believe these are off the soccer player or football, as y'all would say it. But yeah, these are cool collab. We really don't have much we have to do. These been sitting for a minute, so I'll let them go for it still. I think like $95, bro. I was sitting on for a minute. I was like, you come get them. But let's go ahead and get these wrapped. If we start getting more views, I'll start linking the video. The last video we made, we did put a little longer video on it. So if y'all watch that more, we'll make longer videos. But if y'all don't, we just gonna make these quick 8-minute videos. Well, let's go ahead and get this done. We're gonna go ahead and stop by and get the plastic wrap. There's two, got a shoe. Oh. I am watching. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Process is to wrinkle like this and then cover over the shoe. I'll show you the cover, and then we're gonna make 3 seals, and then we're gonna be right back outside. So when I do it, I just put the shoe all the way to the corner. So we're gonna take the seal one right there, gonna put one across right there, right here, and then there to close it. We're gonna do the both, and then I'm gonna see y'all back outside. Okay, get them back on the table. Get y'all back on the tripod. Big G the Capital One, what's in your wallet?
Big G the Capital One, what's in your wallet?
So we got that done. All we're gonna do is go in with this hair dryer and get all that extra, space off the wrap gone. Yeah, this took way longer than I anticipated. It's probably because it's cold out here. You see I got a jacket on, but I don't know. We got that one done, so we about to do this one and get this finished. Boom. That's done. Let's find the bags. Put these in. Yeah, so we just put this in here. Oops, wrong way. Alright, so now let me get a business card to put in here. The one like this. I remember somebody said something on the comment about they don't understand business cards. This is my analogy on business cards. If somebody has to put it in their hand and physically touch it, that means they have to physically go throw it in the trash. So that's 2 times I already got you to look at it, because whenever you open the shoe, you're gonna put it to the side and you're gonna look at the shoe. And then what you do with the business card, you gotta look at it again to go throw it in the trash if you do. I don't know what y'all gonna do with it, but that's my analogy. So that means you've seen it twice. So now you're gonna have our name in your mind twice. I don't know, that's just an analogy on business cards. I don't know about y'all, but that's how I think of it. So if I'm gonna add a business card, I'm gonna add a business card because you will see it twice. right? So now we're just gonna put the tape around it to make sure it doesn't come off.
You know about love, what you gotta do with me, what you know about thug. Baby, where's the love? This is the throwback carpets, where's the rub?
All right, so for the label for this, I have to go take it to the UPS and they scan it. So we're gonna go take these out to the car. Yeah, so we are off to UPS right now. Before it gets bad, we're gonna take my dog too.
Just do me, that's how the vibes is. The vibes is, baby, where your vibes at? Vibe check, I can really get on that. Phone that, baby, we can get on that. Any place with a mic where my throne at. I'm just trying to be like Mike, where my song.
See if we can find some parking here. All right, so I got the label in my pocket. Let's go take this. Actually, let me turn this off. It looked like they got a line in there.